Hello, my name is Eunice Montenegro, and I will be talking about DreamLand for my Social Interactions Design course. On the agenda today, we will be talking about the project idea, the persona developed for DreamLand, the lo-fi wireframes, the research iterations, hi-fi wireframes, and future work. DreamLand is a dating application for individuals who want to ditch the other dating apps to find someone who will be their dream soulmate. This application is for people who are single and looking to meet others in their area to potentially go on dates and pursue romantic relationships. The design interactions and design patterns are similar to those of other dating apps to minimize confusion and establish a sense of familiarity. Other considerations for design interactions and design patterns include security, ethics, and privacy. The persona developed for DreamLand was Samantha Miller. Samantha is a 28-year-old female who lives in Chicago with a graduate degree and is currently a teacher. Samantha is familiar with other dating applications but has had no luck with them and finds frustrations which include that most conversations do not lead to in-person dates, tired of matching with people who are just looking to hook up, and having to unlock all features by purchasing a premium membership. Samantha's goals is to find someone to have a long-term relationship with that could lead to a lifetime partner. For the lo-fi wireframes, the onboarding process was designed. The onboarding process consists of two steps, either to create an account or to sign in. For sign in, email and password would be requested. Then to sign up, it would be first name, email, password confirmation, followed by phone number. Once phone number is entered, a verification code is going to be requested. After that, again, name, email, date of birth, region, and gender. Following, the user will have to activate their location since the dating app is dependent on the geographic location for matches. And a question for notifications if the user just want to activate notifications or not at the moment. Then the user can go ahead and personalize their profile. So by personalizing profile, they enter their interest, if they're interested in male, female, or both, and what they're looking for in the app. Being a relationship, something casual, or they're not sure yet. Following that, more profile setup. And these questions are reflective of other questions found on dating apps such as Hinge, Tinder, and Bumble. So similarly asking if they have any kids, their heights, if they drink, if they smoke, etc. Once the user successfully finishes the setup process, they will be greeted by the home page, which is where they can see other users on the application and decide if they want to match with them by swiping right, and if they do not, well then they have to swipe left. On the bottom, there's a navigation. The last option in navigation would be the chat option, which is where they can check the conversations they have with other members that they have matched with. After the lo-fi wireframe, Research Method Explorer was used for the prototype feedback and testing. During this method, the social application summary, goal, and purpose was shared, as well as a prototype and the persona. It was shared with two participants, both single females in their 20s who live in Chicago and use other dating apps. From the research, iterations were conducted. Some of them include sign in and sign up options. So there was 3 additional options given to sign in or sign up, and that was by using Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts. Additionally, in the sign up, instead of asking for gender being male or female, it was also included a non-binary option, and the removal of name and email was also taken because it was previously asked on earlier stages. Another iteration was in regards to the user preferences on the dating app. So given that the goal for DreamLand is to be a dating application where individuals can meet others who are looking for serious relationships, the option of something casual was removed and instead was substituted for different types of relationships, being short-term, long-term, marriage, or I'm not sure yet. Now I'll go through the hi-fi wireframes. So here we're seeing if the password is not entered, it will lead the user to see that they need to enter the password, the rules for the password, and making sure the password matches. So again, once the phone number is entered, the user will receive a verification code through text message, and that is what they would enter in the next page, which is the page that we are currently seeing right now. Given that the hi-fi was after the research iterations, you can see here that there was the removal of name and email and addition of non-binary. So now for future work. If I had more time, I definitely work on the user profile to ensure that the users are having enough information on other potential matches. I'd also add a timer similar to Bumble, another dating app, which allows users to match with other individuals but has a certain time frame where they can start conversations. And lastly, I'd have higher security with profile verification process. Thank you.